Hey everyone, I'll show you how to create a sticker on TikTok step by step. So here we are inside TikTok. So TikTok actually lets you turn moments from videos into stickers. You can use these stickers in chats, share them with friends, and save your favorite reactions or scenes. So you can create stickers from your own videos and in some cases from other people's videos too. So that does depend on whether the original creator has enabled sticker creation, but I'll show you how to check that. So to get started, open the video you want to use. For example, this one. So if you're trying to create a sticker from someone else's video, look over to the bottom right corner and tap on the share button. Once the share menu opens, scroll through the options along the bottom until you find create sticker. So tap on that. Now TikTok will then load up the sticker editor. So by default, it may select a few seconds from the video, but you can drag the slider left or right to choose the exact moment you want, just like so. If you want the sticker to be just one still frame, simply make the selected area very short. Or if you'd rather have an animated moving sticker, leave a longer clip selected. After that, you can start customizing it. So in the bottom left, you'll see the option to add text. Click on that and you can type a message, caption, or reaction onto the sticker. So you'll also find a crop tool which lets you trim down the visible area. Once done, click on save. Now once you're happy with the final result, tap next in the top right corner. TikTok will then ask whether you want to make the sticker public or private and add keywords. So choose the setting you want, then tap create sticker, and that's it. Your TikTok sticker is now created. So you can now send it to friends in messages. Just click on send to friends. Choose the name of your friend. Click on send. So you can use it in chats or refresh your profile and head over to the sticker section to view all the stickers you've made. And that's how you can create a sticker on TikTok. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.